Hi guys, welcome to a new 939 driver episode, and in this episode we're doing a visual upgrade to the 159 because we are installing dark Rosso seatbelts. I was inspired by the Giulia Quadrifoglio because from factory you can spec those with red seatbelts, and I really like that, and I was wondering how that would look for 159. Yeah, I managed to buy 4 used seatbelts from a spare parts car, and shipped those seatbelts to a company in the Netherlands who can switch colors. I will put a link of that company in the description of this video, so you can check them out yourselves. Yeah, and I'm really happy with the result. There are many colors to choose from, but I went with a color that really matches extremely well with the TI gauges and the red stitching of the interior, so it really blends in really nicely in my opinion. And I already went ahead with installing the driver seat belt. So yeah, in this video we'll be installing the rest of the seat belts. So yeah, let's start. First remove the weather strip. Then we gotta unclip the rear lower cover to get access to the bolt that is located in here. And the same for the other side. Now we can try and pull out this cover, which is held in by 4 rivets. So the next step is to remove the B-pillar trim. So let's first remove this clip cover. And the bolt. And the other 2 lower bolts. Next is removing this pin and this clip. Then remove the lower seatbelt cover. And remove the bolt. Now we gotta remove the seatbelt from the B-pillar trim. So we first gotta remove this plastic cover, like so. And we can then push the seatbelt through. Like so. Now we only need to remove 2 remaining bolts, this one and this one. Then we can take the seatbelt out. So guys, the old seatbelt has been removed, so now we can finally install this beautiful dark Rosso seatbelt. So guys, there's one thing to keep in mind with the seatbelts, and that is that they have a gravity ball inside of them, and they are designed to be in resting position in a certain way. So my B pillars are tilted a little bit to the back, so this seatbelt is designed to be tilted also a little bit to the back. So if you move it like this, it can move freely. But for instance, if I would want to install this seatbelt on the other side, that's not possible, because then it's tilted like this and it will always lock up. So keep in mind that you install the right seatbelt on the right side and the left seatbelt on the left side. So there's a difference in them. So yeah, now let's install the dark Rosso seatbelt. It's just in reverse way how we took the old one out. So yeah, let's do that. So guys, the passenger side seatbelt is also installed and everything works, so that's really nice. Yeah, I really love how it looks, really happy with it. So now that we have installed the front seatbelts, we can do the rear seatbelts as well, but I need to check how that goes, because I think I need to remove the rear parcel shelf, the C-pillar trims and the rear seat cushioning. So I will check online to see if I can find some instructions how that goes, and yeah, then we can start with installing the rears as well. So see you in a bit.
1 week later.
So guys, the rear seat belts have also been installed and changed to dark Rosso, and I think it looks incredible. It was a bit harder to install than the fronts because yeah, you had to remove the rear parcel shelf and the C-pillar trim, and it was a little bit more difficult than the front ones. But yeah, we managed to install it, and it looks fantastic. It really reminds me of the Giulia Quadrifoglio, which yeah, was my goal with these seat belts. You may have noticed that at the rear seats I did not replace the center seat belt. Two reasons. One, I think it looks a little bit better with just having the four seat belts in dark Rosso, because it more looks like, if you emphasize a bit more that it's a four-seater, because yeah, the fifth seat, which is in the middle, I don't like it to be seated there, so I wanted to emphasize that this car is a four-seater. But also the center seat belt is really hard to remove because it's actually inside the rear seat, so that means you have to remove the leather and replace it, and yeah, that's doable, but it's difficult, and yeah, you have the risk of damaging the leather. So I actually think it looks even better like this. But yeah, I'm really happy with this visual upgrade. The company that I bought these from, they had three red samples of, yeah, three red variants, and I think this one, the one that I chose, matches so well with the yeah, red gauges, the red stitching, and yeah, this looks really OEM. So I'm really happy with the look. So the visual upgrades for this car are almost complete. There's two more things that I want to do, and that is actually if I'm able, then I would like to swap out the seats for the Alcantara seats with red piping. I think that will, yeah, really make this interior complete. Yeah, but they are really hard to find, and especially in good condition, so that's it's probably going to take some time before I find a set. And I want to install a Brera front bumper on the 159. I think that looks really cool. So yeah, that are the visual upgrades that I still have in store for this car. But yeah, for now I'm really happy with this upgrade, and I'm gonna focus on installing the intercooler. So that is for next video. But yeah, if you like this video, make sure yeah, you give it a like. I hope to see you next video. Bye.